Donruss. Hello guys, good day sa inyo. At tayo ay mag-open ulit. This time, meron tayong Donruss 2024-2025. Yan. Na, ano to? Blaster. Meron siyang, ayan. Diba? Meron siyang 6 packs, tas may 15 cards per pack. Dami na. So, bali 90 cards. So, let's go. Open natin. Okay. Saan natin? Chuk. Ay, galing. So, ayan. Tingnan natin. Donruss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, ayan guys. Meron tayong 6 na packs. So, hiwalay muna natin 3 para 1, right or left? Left na. So, mamaya na tong, diba? Okay guys, let's go. Donruss 15 cards per pack. Okay. Let's open. So ayun. Ayun. Ingat. So ayun. Kita na natin yung Donruss eh. Yan na tayong makapagbukas na tayong patpak. So ito, Malik Monk base card. Malik Monk base card. Here. Teka lang. Tatabi ko muna itong dalawa. Base. Kelly Oubre. Base. Si Jaime Jaquez Jr. Brandon Miller. Maraming base to eh. Kyle Anderson. Grady Dick na lumaki ng 2 inches daw. Cody Williams, ang nating rookie card, RC rated rookie. Cody Williams. Yun, another rookie. Reed Shepherd, shooter. Nice. Oh, may nakabaligtad. Rated rookie. Sino to? Oh, si Bobby Clintman. Nice. Mamaya ko na siya ipa-plastic. So, dito na lang natin lagay. Next, ayun, no, Great Expectation. Matas Musalis. Okay, dito natin. Julius Randle. Bradley Beal. Colin Sexton. Sadiq Bey. Iba yung tsura ng card. At Caris LeVert. Yan guys, ha. First pack. Na yan, balik. Yan. Sa next pack tayo. Let's go. Next pack. Julian Stratton. Keegan Murray. Duncan Robinson, Atayde, Yusuf Nurkic, Spencer Dinwiddie, Andrew Wiggins. Okay, ito na ang ating rookie card, si Bob Carrington. Another Johnny, ano to? Purpy ba? Porpay. Okay. Oops. Meron naman tayo. Daniel Gafford. Parallel. Next. Si Shai. The Magician. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Luka. Jaden Ivey. Patrick Williams, Kevin Durant, and LaMelo Ball. Next, third pack. Third pack. Siyempre, yan pa rin. Let's go for our third pack. May Darius Garland, Benedict Mathurin, Kuminga, nakakapirma lang. Kyrie. Ganda. Cam Whitmore. Ay, wait lang. Ayun. Tinawag tayo. Cam Whitmore. So, Cam Whitmore. Base. Dame time. Rookie, Keyshawn George, KJ Simpson Jr. At ang ating baliktad is rated rookie. Nice. Harrison Ingram. Nice. Ganda ng ano. Next is Zach Precious. Bomb Squad. Good hits. Rookie again. And RJ Barrett. Nicholas Batum. Marcus Sasser. Evan Mobley at Jaylen Brown. So, lipitin mo natin to. Tapos yan natin yung part 2. Ay, hindi, tuloy na natin. Okay? Fourth pack. Let's go. Yan, no? 15 cards ulit. Ay. Fourth pack. Let's go. Baliktad. So, ano yun? Sabihin ng baliktad. Giannis. Zion, Trace Jackson Davis, Derek White, CJ McCollum, Bobby Portis, Bronny James Jr. Yun, guess it. Bronny James. Yes. Ano to? Tristan Newton. Rated rookie. Rated rookie ulit. Si Keyshawn George. Wow. Puro rated rookie. Very good, Okay. Franchise features. Trae Young. Anthony Black. Taylor Hendricks. Grayson Allen. Brandon Ingram. Bol. So, sa ating fifth, guys, pang 5 pack. So, let's go. Ayaw mo buksan. Pang 5 pack. Gary Trent Jr. Kyle Kuzma. Terry Rozier III, Dorian Finney-Smith, Anthony Simons, Kawhi. Ang ating rated rookie, Melvin Ajinko, at saka si Pakit, ano to? The Diet. Rated rookie again. Reed Shepherd. Nice one, Reed Shepherd. Sana magkaroon siya ng playing time ngayon. Nice. Meron tayong bomb squad ni Jason Tatum. So, ano to? Parang ang labo ni Naismith na sa ere. Jonas Valanciunas, Joel Embiid, Andrew Nembhard, at Tyler Hero. At last pack. So far, maganda. Puro rated rookie. No? Okay. Donruss last pack. Yan. Last pack. Curry. Oh. Last pack. Let's go. Let's go. Jalen Brunson. Dami ng ano nito. OG Anunoby. Scoot Henderson. Torian Prince. Donovan Mitchell. Obi. Toppin. So, itong first rookie, ay another rookie natin. Ito, Harrison Ingram. Ito yung isa natin. Ito, Bobby Lintman. At ang ating, rated rookie again. Cody Williams. Ganda tong puro rated rookie. Cody Williams. Green Laser. Green and yellow laser ba to? Green Laser. Franchise feature Jimmy Butler buckets. So Daniel Goffard, Max Strus, Emmanuel Quickly, De'Aaron Fox, si buckets ulit. Yun nga guys. So ito recap. Ito yung mga puro rated rookie. Bronny James. Diba? So, ayun. Thank you guys. Card shop.